If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
It's a family thing. Get with the Macher gang. It's a family thing. Get with the Macher gang. I know you wanna come and hang. We got Sade, Marcus, Leah, Shy. Y'all really all in my heart. Yeah, it's a family thing. Get with the Macher gang. Gang.
Welcome back to another video.
Gang.
Gang, 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 gang.
Okay, in this video, we're going to be doing another experiment. Welcome back, another homeschool experiment, okay? Hopefully we get it right this time. The kids are going to be doing a lava lamp. Actually, let me get my book. Where's my book at?
The experiment book
Yeah, because it tells me.
in my room.
Where?
Oh my. Hey, gang. I didn't do that much work. That's when and this mommy's back.
We also have this book that we are using to do a lot of our science experiments this year for homeschool. So it gives us some cool ideas, and we're going to be doing an experiment out of here today. I actually seen it online on Pinterest probably, and I was like, oh, we gotta do this. Okay, it's on page 4 to 9. So with this, it tells you like the breakdown of everything. Let me focus. Okay, so the materials you are going to need is a clear jar or cup. Some water, some food coloring, some vegetable oil. Gotta get the food coloring. Some Alka-Seltzer, and measuring cups. So let me grab the food coloring. Got the food coloring. Gonna do purple and blue. Okay, so if you didn't get to see, this is the directions, the materials you will need, the steps that you will have to take, and it explains also why it happens and like the scientific effects. So today we're going to be doing lava lamp. So what we're going to have to do is measure 1 cup of water into our jar, and we're using this large jar right here to be our jar. I do have a little bit more than 1 cup, so let me pour a little bit out. All right, so we have our 1 cup of water here. And then it also says that we're gonna measure 1 cup of water into a jar. And then we're gonna add a few drops of food coloring to the water and stir it around. So you can add the water. Go ahead. And then we're gonna add a few drops of the food coloring inside of here. So somebody grab the stirring thing. I'll drop the color. We'll do 2 drops. Let me move this so we can
Purple.
see. Okay, and then it says stir it around. So mix it up, Shad. Stir it up. Stir it up good. And we'll move it closer.
Ooh, that's a good purple.
Okay, and then it now says measure 1 cup of vegetable oil into a jar. Does it settle? Does the oil settle? So let me do one full cup.
Mix it up, like twirl it. Okay. That's good.
All right, now mix the 1 cup of vegetable oil in there, and it's asking, does the oil settle? Okay, watch out, Shadi. Pull the spoon out. Leah, pour the oil. Does it separate? Does it settle? Does the oil and the water separate? Don't stir it, Shadi. No.
Oh my goodness.
Does it settle? The oil and the water do not settle. They do not mix. Oil and water does not mix. So what we have to do next is we're going to break up an Alka-Seltzer into 4s. Drop 1/4 into the water mixture, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so we have an Alka-Seltzer here. We're going to break this up into 4 parts. Well, actually, it kind of already did. So take that out.
Can I put it in?
And we're gonna put that in. Y'all both are gonna put it in. Hold on. Here, Shot. There's your piece. And drop it in, and let's see what happens, guys.
Shall we drop it in?
Go.
I drop it in.
What's happening?
It's going up. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Goodness.
Do you see the lava lamp, Shotty? Do you see it?
Oh my goodness.
How cool is that, right,
It's
guys?
a big bubble.
You see, we did an experiment. We did it right.
Whoa.
We followed the steps. It says, what happens when you add the Alka-Seltzer tablets to the cup of water? What happens? What do y'all see? What do you observe?
I see bubbles going down and bubbles going up, and like the volcano going up. The volcano going up to the wall, and it's not going down.
Right. So
And
basically,
it's stuck with bubbles.
it is. I see. That's cool, right?
Yeah.
And the water still is not mixing with the oil. Let's drop a few more tablets in and see if we can get a bigger reaction. Oh man, it's gonna happen. Oh,
It's going bigger.
it's getting bigger.
Well, it's going up a little bit. Little tiny sparks going.
Put it in. So in this experiment, you will make your own lava lamp, of course, what we just did. And you basically are learning more about acids and bases.
It's raining bubbles. Oh, it's raining a lot.
In the experiment, you're basically having a whole bunch of fun. You're seeing how the Alka-Seltzer reacts to the oil and the water and the food coloring, how it makes the food coloring goes inside of the oil, even though the oil and water are not mixing still. This is such a fun, cool experiment. I want to see what happens if we drop another color inside.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what?
Wow, it's like teardrops. You see it?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Teardrops. And look at the little bubbles going up.
Oh, wow.
Oh no. The blue is going down slowly. It's going down.
Let's add more. More Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer. My goodness. Oh my.
What happens if you add a whole tablet?
I
I want to see it really react. Shot's turn. Here, Shotty. You get one. Here, here, Shotty. Oh, wow, Shot wasn't ready. Oh, my God.
It's going down. Oh, what did we do?
It's huge now. It's overreacting.
It smells like soda.
Shot, look at the lava lamp. Be like, oh!
Is that?
Look over it, guys. Like, look at it like this. I want y'all to look at it like that.
It's like blue.
It's blue. Leah, I can't see you. You're too tall.
I can't see the bubbles. Alka-Seltzer went on the glass.
Oh, man. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this experiment. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. We're definitely going to try more experiments. So come back. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you enjoy our videos, go ahead and subscribe so you can be part of the gang. And why not leave us a good comment? I mean, tell the kids how well they did. Awesome work, kids. And
hit that notification bell.
yeah,
Ding,
I mean,
ding.
that's special treatment. You'll be one of the first people to know when we post some good content. All right, guys. We love you all, and I hope you have a blessed day. Say bye, gang.
Bye, gang.
If you want to join our gang, subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, gang.
With the Maker gang. Gang, 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 gang.
What are you doing? Subscribe.